Hello A&P students, this is Mr. Becker here to discuss the structures of the sacrum and coccyx. So here we have ourselves our sacrum in a posterior view, and here we have the coccyx. All right, so here I'm going to just point this out. We have the coccygeal vertebrae. There can be 3 to 5 of them. And on this one, we're showing 1, 2, 3, 4 coccygeal vertebrae. I'm going to set the coccyx to the side now. All right, this is our sacrum. And if I turn it around, look at the front side here, this opening is the opening to the sacral canal. The sacral canal runs through the sacrum all the way down this way, and then in non-plastic models will come out down here at a structure called the sacral hiatus. You may notice that there's also holes in this sacrum. These are the sacral foramina. On the posterior side, these are our posterior sacral foramina, singular posterior sacral foramen. And then on the anterior side, we have the same holes, and these are anterior sacral foramina, singular anterior sacral foramen. The anterior and posterior branches of the sacral spinal nerves are going to pass out of these foramina. So that will get talked a little bit about later in the nervous system chapter. On the front side of the sacrum, we have these ear-looking structures here and here. These are the ala of the sacrum. For purposes here, I'm spelling it out. It's A-L-A, ala. On the posterior side of the ala, we have this roughened surface here. This roughened surface is the auricular surface of the sacrum. The auricular surface of the sacrum is going to articulate with the auricular surface on the os coxa, and this is the sacroiliac joint that joins our vertebral column into our hip bones of the os coxa. On the posterior side of the sacrum, we have the median sacral crest. You can see here the bones have joined together. This is the spinous processes of the sacral vertebrae, and they have all fused together to actually create a crest. And then finally, on the anterior side of the sacrum, up here, turn it around a little bit, we can see the sacral promontory. So the lowest vertebra, L5, is going to sit on the sacral promontory to join our sacrum to the rest of our vertebral column. So these are the structures of the sacrum and coccyx.